Rock forward onto your knees. Swing those legs out behind you. And this is your basic tabletop position. Hands with your fingers spread nice and wide under your shoulders. Your knees are underneath your hips, about hip width apart. You can tuck your toes and then lift your knees up off the floor, pushing your hips into the sky, dropping your head between your elbows. Lengthening out your calves by bending and straightening opposite legs. Pushing those heels down towards the floor, seeing how far you can stretch out that leg, curling up your tailbone, just like there's a string attached to the ceiling, pulling it up. Then looking towards your thumbs, walk those feet in. Exhale all the breath out, bringing your head towards your knees in the forward fold. Then inhaling to come all the way up. And exhaling into mountain. Now if you can come to the top of your mat and just stand with your feet maybe hip width apart. I'm going to explain mountain, how you get into the full benefit of this pose. Lift and spread your toes and then put them back down again. Slightly bend your knees. That activates the lower part of your legs. Slightly tilt in your pelvis, and this activates the upper part of your legs. Straighten out your arms by your sides. Open up your chest. Pull those shoulders down away from your ears. And this is your full expression of mountain.